Alright, so a common problem with these E90 BMWs are the window regulators, so they always go out, like this one right here. So this car, two of the passenger side window regulators already went out and I already replaced them. So this is the third one, so this is a pretty common problem. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is use a plastic trim tool and remove this trim panel. So you can just go from the sides right here and then it should just pop out. You'll hear a popping sound, and then just work your way around, and then this entire panel should just pop off. Alright, so there you see it just pops on and pops off. So you want to pry it from the front, because on the back there's a clip that you don't want to break. Alright, so next we're going to remove this trim panel. So same thing, just use your plastic trim tool. Get it right there, and then it should just pop out. And then this one just clips on and clips off, just like that. Alright, so next it's just 3 T20 bolts. So one right here, one back there, and one in there. So we're just gonna remove these. Alright, so after removing those 3 torque screws, you'll need a plastic trim tool, and then we can just start prying around the whole trim panel, and it'll just pop off them clips. So let's find an easy place to start on the bottom right here. So start off with this one. Alright. Alright, now it should just pop off. So once you get a couple pops, you can put your fingers back and then you can just pull it out. So like this. Oh shit. Alright, so all the clips, once you get them off, this whole thing, once you pull up the handle, the whole panel should just come out. So like this. Might need a little force. Alright. So it just popped off these clips right here. And now we just gotta remove these right here. So this one just unclips and just pull out. Alright, and then so for this wire, it's clipped onto the panel, so we just unclip it like that. So it's just clipped on, and then we'll just unplug it from the window switch so we can just pull it out like that. So this is what it looks like with the trim panel removed. Now we can just start pulling back this cover right here. So, oh shit. So we'll just remove this whole cover. You can just peel it off. It's like held on by some sticky stuff on the back. So I'll just do this. And then, so now the window regulator and the motor is exposed. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just pull down the window with the regulator. Alright, so you see this green clip? And see how there's a clip on the back? That's what holds the glass in place. So if you stick your thumb behind the glass and unclip it right here and just pull it back, you'll unclip the glass, and then you can pull up the glass with your other hand. So see, once you unclip the glass, so There it is, the glass is unclipped. So we'll just slide this green thing down. All right, so the windows should be free now. So, all right, so with the glass unclipped, you can just push the glass all the way up. So, and then it should just stay in place like that. All right, so now we can unplug the window motor. So just pull this and then pull out. There we go. And then next we're just gonna remove the 3 10mm, this one, and the one on the bottom. And then we'll be able to take out the window regulator and motor all at once. All right, so with those 3 bolts removed, you should be able to just pop this out. Let's see how it comes out. I think it comes out through the bottom. Alright, there you have it. Alright, so here's the old regulator. So right there, that piece of plastic, that's where it cracked. And then so you can see what happened after that crack. The whole wire track kind of got messed up. So this whole thing has to be replaced. Alright, so here's the new window regulator that I got off Amazon.com. So I'm just gonna transfer the existing motor over. So I just gotta take out these 3 T25 bolts and then just transfer it over. So that should be easy. Alright, so I just transferred the motor. So this is what the new one looks like compared to the old one. So you can tell that like this whole thing came off track, and this is the new good one. All right, so this should just go back in how you took it out. Alright, so with everything bolted back, I'm gonna go ahead and connect the window motor. And then now we're gonna try to roll the window up so that white clip that clips on the glass is somewhere near the middle, so it's easier to clip onto the glass. Alright, so to get the white clip that holds the glass up, you don't even need to reconnect the window switch from the door. You can just put your key in the ignition, and then you can just roll this up from the driver's side master switch. So right now, see how it's more up? So now we can just push the window down, or start pushing the window down, and then try to mate it with the clip. And then you should hear a clip, like a click when it's good. Let's see. What's it caught on? Looks like it's caught on something. Alright, see how it looks like it's in, but if you go right here, you can tell that it's not clipped in all the way. So you want to make sure that that white clip goes into the glass. So just make sure your window is pushed down all the way. And if it's still not going in, you can reach in from the back and then you can just try to push it in. So still need to make sure the glass is more down. Then you should be able to push the clip in. Oops. Alright, so that's how you want it to look like. See, you want the glass clip to be sitting inside the little groove of the glass right there, so you know you're good. Alright, so before I put everything back together, I'm gonna just try the window out real quick. So let's try the window switch right here. Alright, there you go. So now you can start putting everything back together now that you know that it works.